In the natural world, no animal can achieve such spectacular and coordinated teamwork. This is a group of more than 4,000 emperor penguins. They are engaged in a brutal race against time. In the depths of Antarctic winter, temperatures can drop as low as minus 112 degrees Fahrenheit. In such extreme cold, even experienced emperor penguins have no choice but to huddle together for warmth. Most of these emperor penguins are fathers. Each one is keeping a precious egg tucked under its feet. However, their greatest survival challenge is far from over. The penguins on the outer edge still have to endure blizzards at 100 miles per hour. The penguins at the center can reach temperatures as warm as 68 degrees Fahrenheit. In this moment, even the sun seems to have briefly forgotten they exist. But these darkest and coldest moments will eventually pass. A few weeks later, their chicks have finally hatched. These newborns haven't yet grown their downy feathers, so they can only stay perched on their father's feet. But this particular father penguin is completely confused. His chick should have hatched by now, but there's still no sign of movement. At this very moment, his neighbor walks over and shows off his own chick. Perhaps hearing the nearby chick's cries, his own chick starts to push through. The cracked eggshell marks the birth of the last emperor penguin chick. This smallest of all emperor penguin chicks is named Snowball. His life is full of ups and downs, but that's a story for later. For now, the father penguin is bonding with Snowball. He feeds Snowball some high-energy liquid stored in his glands as the newborn's first meal. But this food is only enough to last his chick a few days. Right now, all they can do is wait for the mother penguins to return. Meanwhile, the female emperor penguins are making their way home, carrying a belly full of fish and krill. But beneath them, a fierce predator is following, the natural enemy of all penguins. Leopard seals specifically prey on mother penguins making their way home. This mother emperor penguin seems to sense something is wrong. She immediately stops in her tracks, and her caution is justified. A leopard seal is lurking just beneath the ice nearby, waiting for its chance. In order to get back as quickly as possible, she has no choice but to press on despite the danger. But the ice ahead has already melted and she falls in. For the leopard seal, this is a perfect opportunity. And for the other mother emperor penguins, this is their chance to escape. One victim is enough to allow all the other mother penguins to escape. This desperate mother penguin uses every last bit of strength to climb back onto the ice. At the very last moment, she finally makes it. Now they are just a few miles away from their destination. Back at the colony, newborn Snowball and the father penguin are desperately waiting for their return. After the blizzard, temperatures have settled at minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. But inside the warm pouch, Snowball is kept at a comfortable 99 degrees Fahrenheit. But with chicks tucked under their feet, their movement is severely restricted. To protect their chicks, all the father emperor penguins can only shuffle forward in tiny steps. While this allows them to walk slowly, even a small bump can cause them to lose their balance and fall. Clearly, these first-time dads still need some practice. Meanwhile, the mother emperor penguins are making every effort to get back to their families. But the icy surface is extremely slippery. The mother emperor penguins keep slipping and falling one after another. Fortunately, once they cross over this snowy hill, they will finally reach their partners and chicks. At this point, Snowball has already been alive for a week. Now, not only is little Snowball desperately hungry, the father penguin is starving too, and his father can no longer produce any food to feed him. The chick's survival rate is dropping with every passing moment. Some of the desperately hungry chicks are even eating the snow around them to ease their hunger. And at this moment, the father penguin finally spots the figures he's been longing for day and night. These mother emperor penguins arrive with unsteady steps, completely worn out. They've walked back from hundreds of miles away, step by step, and only they truly know the hardship they've endured. Although little Snowball has never seen his mother, he feels an instant and overwhelming sense of familiarity. Now, the mother emperor penguins have just one last task to complete. They must find their own partners among these 4,000 father emperor penguins. Visually, they all look exactly the same. From the mother's perspective, it's the same story. The weak chicks can no longer afford any more delays. So the father penguins use a clever trick to quickly identify their partners. They line up carrying their chicks to be identified by their partners. The father penguins form a long line and begin their march toward reunion. The returning mother penguins simply need to walk from the front to the back of the line. Although this improves efficiency, they all still look the same, but they have one last clever trick: recognizing each other by voice. This is essentially the most primitive form of communication. Every emperor penguin's call is unique. Although they sound much the same to us, these calls represent the unique emotional bond between emperor penguins. And the very first mother emperor penguin in line is actually Snowball's mother. She finally recognizes her partner's voice. All the hardship of this 2-month journey melts away into endless warmth in this one moment. Most importantly, their baby is perfectly healthy. Now it's time for the couple to swap roles. But they must be very careful because a chick only a few weeks old can die if exposed to the frozen ground for even a few dozen seconds. Fortunately, the mother emperor penguin is very careful and gentle. After the handoff, she quickly regurgitates precious food for her chick. This fish has been stored in Snowball's mother's special stomach without spoiling. When Snowball eats it, it's as fresh as the day it was caught. And Snowball's father is about to begin his own busy journey.